Is your monitor stuck on the Microsoft Basic Display driver instead of your graphics card? If your screen looks fuzzy, resolutions are limited, or performance feels sluggish, this video explains why. From missing drivers to hardware conflicts, we will break down the causes and show you how to fix it. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are going to discuss why your monitor is connected to the Microsoft Basic Display driver instead of your dedicated GPU driver and how to fix the issue. Let's get started. Method 1. Update your graphics driver. The Basic Display driver only provides minimal functionality. Expect laggy animations, poor resolution options, and no GPU acceleration. You won't be able to use advanced graphic features like gaming optimizations, multiple monitor setups, or hardware acceleration. To fix it, troubleshoot your graphics drivers. The Microsoft Basic Display driver is just a fallback that Windows uses when it can not load the proper driver for your GPU. Once you install or update the correct driver from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel depending on your hardware, your monitor will stop relying on the Basic Display driver and you will regain full resolution options, smooth animations and hardware acceleration, support for gaming, video editing, and multi-monitor setups. Here is how to troubleshoot your graphics drivers. Make sure to update the graphics drivers before you start gaming. This should help you avoid issues while gaming and boost your gaming experience. Here is how you can update your graphics drivers. Open Device Manager using Windows Search. Go to the Display Adapters section and expand it. Right-click on your graphics driver and choose Update Driver option. From the next window, select the Search automatically for drivers option. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest driver. You can also visit the official websites of your graphics card manufacturer to update your graphics drivers. These websites are linked in the description below. Now download the latest drivers for the graphics card installed on your computer from these websites. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the driver installation process. Once done, restart your PC. When the device restarts, open the app again to check for updates, download and install the available updates. Method 2. Reinstall your graphics drivers. You can also reinstall your graphics drivers. Here is how to do that. Open Device Manager, expand the Display Adapter section, right-click your graphics driver, select Uninstall Device. In the confirmation box, check Delete the driver software for this device if available. Click Uninstall. Restart your PC. Windows will temporarily switch to the basic Microsoft Display driver. After restart, Windows may automatically reinstall a generic driver. To force this, go back to Device Manager, select Display Adapters, then right-click, then select Update Driver, then search automatically for drivers. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. You can also visit your GPU manufacturer site and download the latest driver for your GPU model as shown earlier. Once done, restart your PC again. Method 3. Verify installation. Once you have reinstalled the graphics drivers, verify the installation. Here is how to do so. Open Device Manager once more. Under Display Adapters, you should now see your GPU name, for example NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 instead of Microsoft Basic Display driver. Test by adjusting resolution or launching a game to confirm smooth performance. Method 4. Update Windows. Sometimes Windows Update can automatically fetch the correct driver. To update your OS, go to Settings, then select Windows Update and check for update. If any update is available, download and install it. And that's the breakdown. Whether it's outdated drivers, a failed installation, or hardware detection issues, knowing why your monitor defaults to the Basic Display driver helps you troubleshoot faster. If this guide helped you get your display back to normal, give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more Windows fixes and optimization tips. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's solve these PC quirks together.